Hey everybody, I'm Tim. I work on the brand team here at Loom. I wanted to walk through a little bit about how we approached photo and video on Loom as part of our brand elements at launch. People are what set Loom apart from other products. It's the core of what we do. We want to have a unified and expressive approach to photo and video. So, let me move this over here. We approach video with showing optimism, being familiar, and embrace curiosity. A lot of this was developed along with Brooks when it came to the brand book, the brand strategy. So this goes along with that. To show a little bit about where the industry is, this is kind of like a collage of where video chat, video messaging type apps are at. And so we have a mix of authentic video and the type of way of like Instagram and TikTok, all the way to very stock photo business footage that looks not super realistic to how your actual office might look. And so taking this as inspiration where we wanted to go, we started with like a kind of like a talent and wardrobe inspiration, and this shows like the expressiveness of the wardrobe, the talent, the colors that we want to show, but not necessarily the actual art direction. To do art direction, what we got into was high-end video inspiration from YouTube, because they're used to having like a home setup of production that is a little bit aspirational. So everything from ring lights to LED lights to using natural lights, and having expressive wardrobe as well. Where we ended up, Allie's going to walk you through a little bit about the production of our test shoot and our actual marketing site shoot. But after doing a test with a couple of variables, we ended up in the space of natural light plus LED panel fill, expressive wardrobe, and using a Canon 60 SLR with a slight depth of field. We found that something around an f8 gave the foreground and the background enough distance, but didn't feel highly produced or in like the weird uncanny valley area. It felt very authentic to what we wanted to do with expression. What else we were looking for out of the marketing site shoot itself was a selection of short video clips with a range of expressions. There was a range of expressions. Since we were not using the audio from these clips, we would ask them about their favorite recipes, their best friends, family memories, things that they're very passionate about, and things they could walk through in a way that without the audio, it looks as though they were walking through a presentation, a code review, things that people use Loom for. We also needed still images depicting talent. We needed still images that we were used in studio as avatar for our team products, and front-facing video for mobile use cases. So this is a little bit of the collage of like where things end up using these things in use cases. We have video stills, and then these are the avatar photos you'll see as we show our team products. And then just one last thing here is to show the website itself and how this is in use. So let me refresh. We started with like the start recording thing where we see a video of Jamila and she's kind of responding a little bit to what's happening on screen. We want it to look realistic in a way that somebody's not staring at the camera, so you don't think it's video chat. You know that this person is showing and telling what is on their screen. Same thing here, the narrative continues as we have some of these avatar photos and still images in these mockups. Same thing here as we show Loom is a great way to offload a lot of the calendars on your schedule. We have another one here where it shows how you're expressive just by showing your face in a video. See the nice little wave? That's really cool. We've got one here where it shows that like just adding your voice and more than just like words in an email adds so much context to what you are doing that is much better than just sending an email. And lastly, we had the use cases here. So we filled out a lot of the other videos we put along with team alignment with Nina here, code reviews, and you can see like a lot of the video we had them pretending like they were typing and looking at the screen. So it kind of gives them like a more authentic feel to actually having this abstracted screen showing a pull request. Design decisions. And lastly, sales use case. So that's a little bit about our overall photo video strategy. There's a lot more to come. We learned a lot here, and we really set an expressive foundation for how we present photo and video.